guys, today we're going to be making some Dalgona drinks, but today we're going to be using our hand mixer and we're going to be making 3 different types of Dalgona. So firstly we're going to be making a red velvet Dalgona. So I'm going to be making 2 servings today. If you want to be making 1, you just got to half what I'm doing. So first we're going to be using 4 tablespoons of caster sugar. You can use any sugar you want, you just pour that into the bowl. Remember, if you're only doing 1, just half it. So here is the red velvet powder. We're going to be needing 4 tablespoons of this stuff. This is for the flavor. Now we're going to be using a teaspoon of emulsifier. This one's pretty important. It's a teaspoon, not a tablespoon. If you put too much, it's going to end up tasting like emulsifier. So we put that in. Okay. And then we need 4 tablespoons of hot water. So we put that in. And we mix it. As you mix it, don't mix it on the highest speed. Mix it at like a reasonable speed. So kind of like this. And make sure you keep it plated. Generally, when you start this, it's going to start out really runny. It just takes a while to get that foamy kind of look. So today I'm teaching my brother how to make Dalgona. So as you can see now, it's currently pretty watery. It's like still got that runny look, but as we go, it's going to start to get more foamy and thick.
This looks very yummy.
It's starting to foam up now. See, look, you can see the foam.
Oh yeah, and it's red.
As it starts to foam up more, you start to mix it more. So just mix it on a higher speed. It's now starting to foam up. But to test whether it's finished or not, you have to go get a spoon. And you get the spoon, you put it in, and you tip it. If the Dalgona continues falling off, it means it's not quite ready yet. You have to do it until a lot of the Dalgona can stay on the spoon.
Tastes pretty good.
Now we're going to test whether the Dalgona is ready. So let's just see how stiff it is. So we can see now it's gotten stiffer.
Is the ice?
Gotten like kind of harder. Yeah, I think this is what we want. So now that we've got that, we just pour some milk into a cup. And then we put the Dalgona on top of this. When you drink it, you just mix the Dalgona with the milk and you should This is a great thing to do at home. It's easy, it's fun, a little thing to enjoy during isolation, and just enjoy it anytime.
Whoa! So yummy.
So here is the Dalgona. So this is red velvet.
So this is Milo Dalgona. This is easy. I think lots of people could do this at home, but don't have too much. It could get you sugar high.
So here it is, the Taro Dalgona. So here we are with our sister now to enjoy our Dalgona. She's going to be having the red velvet, Nathan having the Milo, and me having the Taro. So we drink. good?
It's
You're
really
welcome.
good.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I know, it's really good. The taro is really good.
It's pretty good too. Really good actually. See that Milo?
I can see this red velvet. Is it good, guys?
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Recommendation before you drink the drink, you have to mix the Dalgona frost into the milk first. Otherwise, you're just going to end up drinking the milk and the frost at different times.
Wow, the Milo is amazing.
Same as this red velvet.
Same with the taro. What are you guys going to do tomorrow?
I'm maybe gonna do some singing.
I'm probably gonna play some Lego. Read a book.
Same. Read the book.
Hey guys, look how much I enjoyed this Milo. My cheeks enjoyed it, definitely. Tastes really good too.
See you.
See you.
Bye.
Here. Guys, it's really good. Thanks for making it.
Oh, good.
No pleasures.
What? No pleasures.
I don't know what to say. I
That's
forgot.
no problem.